Welcome to Ngobatente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Chana. Sorry, Sandawan. This is sorry. This is Ngobatente Shop I channel. We are here at Royal Bafokeng Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland FC 0. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Awonke. My surname is Trelo. I come from Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
In
PA Eastern Cape.
Port St. John's.
For St. John's.
Yeah.
Uyibone njani game namhlanje?
Bube kumnandi ukubona igame ne. Kaze nela goal la vila kaze ndilithandile.
Uthandile?
Yes.
Yeah, your favorite player yakho? Yeah. So xa ujongile nizawudlala kanjani kwi league ezayo? Kwi season ezayo?
Sizodlala bet.
Kamnandi. Better.
Yeah.
Okay. So ikhona i-player kumele bayithenge ku-Chiefs or ba right la bakhona?
Ba right ababakhona.
Ba right ne? Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Shap.